If you want to learn how I did this effect with the subtitles in the middle of the screen, highlighting the word, but also the visual effect at the same time, then watch this video. Or perhaps you want to learn this effect where you can add the subtitles at the bottom of a video. Or maybe you want this effect where you're on the screen and the subtitles are underneath. And of course you can change the style of the subtitles as well. All of these things you're going to learn in this video. And the amazing thing is I'm doing this in one click. And I'm really not exaggerating when I say that. You simply add the subtitles function onto the audio and the subtitles are produced. Really hope you like the video, and as always, if you do, please like it, please share it, please comment on it, and join me on my new channel, Screencast Guru. Let's get started. So let me show you how I did the first effect. Now the first effect was just audio on the screen. It doesn't matter if it's audio and video or audio. I just come down to captions. And the one that I chose, and there are many, is this one here. And I just dragged it onto the screen. And notice immediately that it picks up my voice from the audio file, which is here. I just place it on top, it picks up my voice, and straight away now you can see that we've got the subtitles. It really is that easy. Obviously, the better the audio quality, the better the subtitles. Of course, you can always edit the subtitles if there are mistakes, and occasionally there are. You can just click on them and then you can come down here, and I'll have to make a little bit of space, but basically you can then edit the subtitles. Another thing to point out, if I just click on the dynamic subtitles again and come over here on the right hand side, there are lots of options when you're doing this, okay? So for example, just to give you a taster, I could change the background color if I wanted and use a completely different color in the background. And of course I can move these around on the screen. So it's really easy to add subtitles to a video. The secret is that your voice is nice and clear, or the audio that you've got in the video is nice and clear. Now the other thing that I did in the opening part of that video, of course, was that I had, as well as the subtitles, I had a kind of sound wave, and that's really easy to find as well. Just go up to your media and then go over to the libraries, and you want the Camtasia library, Camtasia 2024 library, that comes free with Camtasia. And then what you want to do is you want to click down to the audio visualizers. Now you've got several. The one that I used was this one, but let's try another one. We've got wave bars, which you can also put onto the screen. Okay. Now if I just play this video a little bit, you'll see that the wave bars work. And the great thing is I can change these wave bars. Just like everything in Camtasia, there's always properties that you can set. So if I play this video just very quickly, if you want to learn how I did this effect with the subtitles in the middle of the screen. Now you can see that works really well. I might want to move the bar perhaps. In fact, what I probably want to do here is not move the bar, but move the side subtitles up a little bit further. Okay, and then move the bar up. I think that's going to work better. But remember also that if I click on that bar and I come over to the side here, there are again settings that I can use, that I can change about that particular bar, okay? For example, the bar width, if I want them to be thicker, okay? I can just pull them and they're going to get thicker. Or the bar height, if I want them to be higher, I can do that as well. Let me just play that again, just a little bit so you can see how it works. With the subtitles in the middle of the screen, highlighting the word, but also the visual. Now I think that's absolutely fabulous. It's a kind of really interesting way of starting a video, or just something that can add a different dynamic to your video. One thing you're always trying to do with videos, screencast videos, is add lots of variety into the content. Now the second effect that I showed you was even easier. What I did is, and I'm going to come back over again to my media and to the Camtasia library, and for this example I'm going to use a dynamic background. So I'm just going to grab a dynamic background, and there are loads of them to choose from. There are a lot of fun, these dynamic backgrounds, because just like everything in Camtasia, you can kind of change it. But I'll do a really kind of wacky one so that you can really see this effect in action. So I'm going to drag that one now and place it onto the screen. And if I just play that a few seconds so you see what it looks like, that's what we've got. Now I need to add the audio. So I'm just going to do a very quick recording so to add some audio, which we're then going to add the subtitles to. So I'm going to click on More and Voice Narration. I'll just do a really quick recording, just going to make sure that I've got the right microphone connected. I do want to speak clearly, that's really important. So let me just quickly record a few seconds. Hi, my name's Russell Stannard and welcome to my new channel, Screencast Guru. I've just done the recording. I'm going to save that. That's going to be added now onto the screen. I'm just going to bring that down to the bottom here. Now the only thing I need to add now again is the subtitles. So I'm going to come again over to More. I'm looking for the captions. Let's drag a different one on this time, another one that I use. So for example, this one here, I'm going to drag that on top. And again, instantly, we're going to see that the subtitles are going to appear. And of course, I could move them. And of course, I can come over here to the right-hand side. And let's say I want them to be a lot bigger. So at the moment, they're kind of quite small. So I might say, right, I really want these to be a lot bigger. So I'm just going to grab, let me just go actually to the size of the text here. I've got it at 96. I'm going to just make that bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, and then I'm going to pull this out. Now you've got really a lot of what we call properties. So the properties are the things that you can change about the particular object that you're editing, and that is how we create that effect where we've got now the video going on, but we've also got in the back, or we've also got on the screen, the subtitles appearing. And you could play around with this all day. It really is very easy to do, but it also allows for lots of creativity. Okay, so we're going to look at the third technique now. The third technique is when I'm on the screen with a nice background. I'm only using my webcam because I want to demonstrate just how easy this is to do and how cost effective it can be. And of course, I've added the subtitles as well. I'm using a feature called Camtasia Rev. So let's carry on with that, and don't forget, if you want to follow more of my videos, then you can find lots of them on teachertrainingvideos.com. There's a whole section of Camtasia videos that you can access. And also, if you're looking to have some training in Camtasia, then you can contact me from the website. I am a recommended Camtasia trainer. You will find me on the TechSmith website, and I do training on one-on-one basis or in groups as well. Right, let's move on with Camtasia Rev. Okay, for this last example, I'm going to show you how Camtasia Rev works. So I'm going to click here on the record button because I want to record. I'm going to use the background of my website. So I've got my website up here, but what I will need to do is to turn on the webcam. Let me just click on the webcam so that it comes on. And alongside that, okay, I will also need to turn on Camtasia Rev. Now, one thing I will need to do in this case is I'm going to have a kind of curtain here as my background. So I'm just going to move that a bit closer. And you'll see it doesn't matter. I don't have to have the curtain over the complete area because the Rev will kind of just cut me out in the middle, as you'll see in a minute. And I'm just going to record a few seconds. So I just click on this button here. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it and just do a quick bit of recording. So I'm saying, hello and welcome to my website, teachertrainingvideos.com. Don't forget, there's loads of free videos on Camtasia. Just look on the section of screen capture videos and you'll see loads of learning material for Camtasia. Just going to stop that video and I'm going to save that. So I'm going to call this Camtasia Rev. Cam Rev. Always give your videos a good clear title, and now that will come straight in. Now this is the really interesting thing. Look at this. Camtasia Rev does all the work for me. And so I can even kind of, it basically allows me to choose the size. Well, I already know the size I want to work with anyway. Then it's got the layout, and then it's got the option of the different backgrounds that I can use. So you can literally go along, just to give you a taste of what's this. So at the moment it's chosen this option, but if I, this option here. But if I was to click here, I could move myself and I could look like that. I'm going to work with that one now, but of course I've got that one there as well. So I've got lots of options that I can work with, okay? And choose the one that works for me. Look at that, where it actually deletes your background as well. So that's really nice. You can come over your backgrounds and choose your color. So for example, I might think, well, I want this color background, or I want this color background, so I can do that as well. Now the effects are really nice. I'm going to put one on. I'm going to add a border. So click on that, and suddenly now I've got a border around the outside, which is great. And I have got these filters. Now, I specifically recorded this just using my webcam, so not high quality, because one of the things is that these filters can really help to improve the quality of the visual element if you haven't got a particularly strong camera, you know, if you're just using a basic webcam camera. So, you know, you can choose, and I'll just click on a few, play around with the different tints and different, you've even got classic black and white, and you've got this cold punch, lots of different ones. I use this one a lot, Tasteful, because it adds a bit more color. And that's it. And then I can click on Edit in Camtasia. So all of these settings have all been automatically setted. It's almost like It's almost like a kind of AI technology within Camtasia. And I click on Edit in Camtasia, and that video will now come instantly into Camtasia. Of course, once I bring the video into Camtasia, I then just drop the subtitles function onto the video, just as I did in the last two examples. And you've got your subtitles and your webcam and a really nice background, etc. If you want to learn more about Camtasia Rev, I'm going to put a video on the screen now that you can watch that goes through it in a bit more detail. And don't forget, if you do want more videos, as well as signing up to or subscribing to my new YouTube channel, Screencast Guru, the other thing is to come over to my website, teachertrainingvideos.com, because I have a section there of many Camtasia videos and Snagit videos that you might find useful. And don't forget, if you do want to do some training with me, either on a one-to-one basis or as part of a group, I am a recommended TechSmith trainer. I don't work for TechSmith, but they simply recommend me as a trainer. You can contact me from my website. I'm going to leave a few more videos now on the screen that you might find useful, and thank you very much.